This is PTE Core Write from Dictation Practice video. You will listen a sentence, after that timer starts for your writing. Once writing time is over, you can see the answer sentence in text which you listened.
We change due dates, only for very big reasons. We change due dates, only for very big reasons. Parents usually talk to their kids in simple ways. Parents usually talk to their kids in simple ways. Our teacher is organizing a big meeting. Our teacher is organizing a big meeting. It's important to use your study time for exams. It's important to use your study time for exams. It seems really hard to fix this problem easily. It seems really hard to fix this problem easily. After the last sickness, more people got sick. After the last sickness, more people got sick. Scientists are working hard to understand climate change. Scientists are working hard to understand climate change. They will test your knowledge with difficult questions. They will test your knowledge with difficult questions. A lecture on Thursday is very important. A lecture on Thursday is very important. Everything you need to know is in the class plan book. Everything you need to know is in the class plan book. They teach about how to design buildings. They teach about how to design buildings. The microscope in the biology lab got broken. The microscope in the biology lab got broken. The car parking is on the north side. The car parking is on the north side. The library will be closed tomorrow. The library will be closed tomorrow. The history class has been cancelled. The history class has been cancelled. This camera technology can focus on human eyes. This camera technology can focus on human eyes. The reality of climate change is now recognized. The reality of climate change is now recognized. The history of our university is fascinating. The history of our university is fascinating. Libraries play a crucial role in the academic journey. Libraries play a crucial role in the academic journey. The library is situated at the ground level. The library is situated at the ground level. Assignments must be submitted by Monday. Assignments must be submitted by Monday. Today's lecture on economic policy is not happening. Today's lecture on economic policy is not happening. You will find the building dedicated to chemistry. You will find the building dedicated to chemistry. You can find the necessary book stored in the library. You can find the necessary book stored in the library. If more things are sold, it means more profit. If more things are sold, it means more profit. College lab will be closed for cleaning. College lab will be closed for cleaning. Look at the website to find out when they open. Look at the website to find out when they open. Active people usually live longer. Active people usually live longer. Our class will make 2 groups for competition. Our class will make 2 groups for competition. Geography is typically categorized into 2 branches. Geography is typically categorized into 2 branches. Kindly click on the logo above to access the site. Kindly click on the logo above to access the site. Agenda items must be submitted by today. Agenda items must be submitted by today. The focus of marketing will be on price. The focus of marketing will be on price. The final election results will be announced. The final election results will be announced. The company has many branch offices. The company has many branch offices. The use of new technology is core to our strategy. The use of new technology is core to our strategy. The project has been cancelled. The project has been cancelled. The result of the exam will be available online. The result of the exam will be available online. You need to read the remaining chapters. You need to read the remaining chapters. You must register online or by post. You must register online or by post. Learning materials can be found on the internet. Learning materials can be found on the internet. Agenda items should be submitted by Friday. Agenda items should be submitted by Friday. A very basic feature of computing is counting. A very basic feature of computing is counting. A good scientific paper should have clear arguments. A good scientific paper should have clear arguments. A good architectural structure should be usable. A good architectural structure should be usable. A good academic paper should be clear. A good academic paper should be clear. Geography is generally divided into two branches. Geography is generally divided into two branches. Today a number of students have volunteer jobs. Today a number of students have volunteer jobs. Heavy rain will fall across the city. Heavy rain will fall across the city. He started his tutorial presentation right on time. He started his tutorial presentation right on time.